Okay, and welcome to day 2 of social studies. This is going to be very quick. I've got a couple of more ReadWorks articles for you. I don't want you to think we're only going to be doing ReadWorks articles. I promise you, next week is going to be much different because I'm trying to get textbooks out. This is going to be your social studies textbook. A lot of you who have already gotten this through the meal delivery, if you're getting meals delivered, I'm sending these to be picked up also and signed off for. If you haven't received it yet, um, they're available here at the school if you want to come sign them out, or if you need them to be delivered to you, let us know because I want to get uh, everyone on the textbook by next week so we're not doing ReadWorks articles for every subject. But for this subject, since we're learning about American history, both of these articles are about what it means to be an American and some certain things that are uniquely American. So I want you to read this. And again, this is a speech by Ronald Reagan that was given in 1988. The title is Power of Americans. So I want you to read it. You can listen along. Remember, we've got the vocabulary, everything. But, okay, so this one has a question set. So it's pretty straightforward. You've already done some read work, so I think you're going to be just fine at it. And then the next one is called Local Mailman, and this is about the post office and the history of it, from what I understand, and how it is supposed to function today. So you read this, you listen to it. Now remember, this has one of the step reads. So I want you to listen to both the regular passage and the step reads and compare and contrast. Okay? Think about what's the same, think about what's different, how it's worded differently, and if you understand something better through the step read, that's what it's there for, to compare and contrast. All right. Then again, you go to the question set and let me know that you paid attention and that you comprehended it, and I will get that afterwards. But the big takeaway from today and for the rest of this week is make sure you've got your American Nation textbook because we're going to be starting on it next week. All right, I will talk to you tomorrow about social studies.